Hi guys, welcome to AVCLabs channel. This is a guide on how to colorize black and white video. Just search for AVCLabs. Launch AVCLabs Video Enhancer AI and upload the video to the program. You can drag the progress bar to preview or crop the video. Now come to the right side of the program, select AI Colorizer in the feature list. You can adjust the render factor here. The larger the value, the stronger the rendering effect. Finally, set an appropriate size for the video before clicking to start the process. Now you can view the before and after video processing comparison effect. Drag the whole screen to see the detailed processing or click Fit Model to view the whole video. That's all for today. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe us.